welcome back to another episode of DIYing my house. I have so many projects around my house, as I'm sure you guys all do too, that just like linger. So to start the year, I'm trying to just make every corner a place that I'm happy to be, if that makes sense. I am gonna work on this today. This is my entryway, and actually this was my very first DIY I ever did during COVID, so 6 years ago. So if you're just starting out and you feel lost or like you don't know anything, just know that in 6 years, I have learned everything that I know about DIY. I've learned how to use pretty much every power tool, with an exception of like really niche ones. I've learned how to wallpaper. I've learned so much in 6 years. So hopefully that gives you a jumping off point. But because this was my first DIY, it was done really poorly. I didn't even line the seams up or know that that was a thing. I probably should have watched more YouTube videos before I jumped into it. So today I am going to take this wallpaper off first. I'm a little nervous. We're gonna use steam to get it off. If you just rip off peel and stick wallpaper, you are more than likely to rip your sheetrock. But if you heat up the adhesive, it should come off. Keyword should. So we're gonna see how that goes to start. We're gonna paint this area. We're gonna re-wallpaper it. I'm so excited. Let's get going. First we prime. It's so satisfying. And now the fun part, wallpapering. This is the paper that I am using. It's so pretty. It's from Spoonflower, and I really like that it's peel and stick because that makes it easier. I prefer peel and stick. I think that this is really gonna pull the whole space together. And to start, I like to pick a corner. So I'm gonna start on this corner over here. And you always wanna go either right to left or left to right. And then there is an overlap in this one. I think it's like a 1/2 inch overlap. So let's get started. So when it comes to the second sheet, the most important thing is making sure that your pattern lines up. So you don't want to be concerned about the ceiling at all. You want to be more concerned about the pattern being perfectly lined up like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the top. This is actually a really easy wallpaper to line up because there's so much repeat pattern. So I'm really happy about that. You cut the excess off at the top and at the bottom. Just 45 minutes later and I'm on the last piece. That's all it takes is 45 minutes. thanks for sticking around for my entryway refresh. Make sure you subscribe for a ton more DIY and thrifting videos. This entire project took me about 5 hours and I love how it came out so much. It's such an upgrade. I hope you love it too, and see you soon.